Okay, here we have parabolas. There are multiple parabola problems on your test. I want to show you how to attack them multiple choice-wise. This function is f of x equals x squared plus 6x plus 8. Out in front of that x in the front, there's an understood 1. What I want to point out about that 1 here is it's positive. This particular function starts with a positive number. If it starts with a positive number, that means this graph is going to open upwards. So look at our multiple choice possibilities. Graph C, let me start back over. Look at our multiple choice possibilities. Graph A opens downward, so that one's bad. Graph B opens downward, so that one's bad. But this one opens up, and this one opens up. So we can narrow down our choices by just deciding how it opens. If the first number is positive, it opens upwards. Now we do have to narrow it down a little bit more, and so the way that we do this is we find the vertex. To find the vertex, remember your formula is x equals negative b over 2a. So b in this problem is 6, so we would say negative 6 over 2 times a. So that would give me a negative 3 for my x value. Now, of course, you'll need a y value if you were actually graphing it all the way from scratch, but I say you don't have to go all the way out with that in a multiple choice lineup. Here's why. If we look at this particular graph right here, this x value is at negative 3. If we look at this particular vertex right here, this x value is at 3. So you want to pick the one that has the x at negative 3. And so you can use multiple choice to your advantage. Decide which way it opens and find which side of the axis x is on, and you'll be able to pick the right parabola. Let's try another one. Okay, you'll see that this particular parabola starts with a negative. So that means it's going to open downwards. We're looking for a graph that has that basic shape. Okay, both C and D open upwards, so we can throw those out. Okay, now it's time to deal with our vertex. Our vertex is x equals negative b over 2a, and you will need to know that on your exam. B is negative 4, so you say the negative of negative 4 over 2 times a, and a is negative 1. So that would be 4 over negative 2, which would give me a negative 2 value. So this vertex would be at negative 2 and some y value. This vertex here at the top, that's at negative 2. This vertex here, that's at positive 2. So the top parabola is your answer.